Okay, so this is the MFCL 377 CDW. So I'm going to talk about it because I didn't see any videos on YouTube. So this is a color printer. It's supposed to not have the best print resolution. Comes with a telephone plug. Comes with a bunch of stuff. Quick setup guide. Warranty extension, register it, and then installer, driver utilities, etc. It's garbage. So yeah, I'm gonna cover on basic setup. I'm gonna do a test print and see how good the color imaging is for photographs. I'm assuming it's good for regular documents as well, so I shall try that out as well. So on to the setup. So this is the printer out of the box. And the first criticism I have of this stupid thing is that it does not have side lifting handles. So you want to lift it. Basically gotta, but the packing is fairly secure, so I'm not too worried about it. Remove blue. Remove blue. And this does have a standard plastic wrap, and it's got split styrofoam, which is good, so you don't need to. So I could just put it on its side and just lift it up, which is good. I kind of wish they had side lifting handles. You can see there's no side lifting handles though, which makes it really inconvenient to lift. Okay, so this thing comes out with this sticker on it. This guy comes out like this. Okay, so fairly simple lift to split it. That's the tray. It's got a snap in. Lift to snap this thing open. And fairly standard CYMK cartridges in that order. So okay, so we snap these in, so snap it in, snap these in, snap it in. It's a bit of pain in the butt. Okay, I snapped it out. It should be Y to Y, M, M, C to C, and finally this guy. Okay, so we've got this guy. Lift up. Instructions thing. Lift up, pull off, lift up, pull off. Shake it a little bit, and then put it in there. So fairly straightforward. Remove this guy. He's out. This is a BU223CL. That's my imager. Below that is WT223CL. I think that's okay. Check the instructions. Cartridge, more cartridge removal. Flip out the yellow thing from the cartridge. Pull up that thing. Shove the cartridge back, basically. That's about it. So where is my black? I shall start with black. So DR 2 to 3 CLs, all the starter cartridges. Get this guy first. Pull it out. And the rest of it comes out pretty easily. Okay, so there's my first one, which is the black one. A little bit. Shove it in. Move this guy out of the way. Next one is C. Which is this guy. Way. Shake it a little bit. Shove it in. So that's it. T and BK. That's black. C is cyan. Magenta. And this guy goes out. Same deal with this guy. Shake it a little bit. Snap it in. And finally, yellow. Snap it in. So all of them are snapped in. This guy goes down. Let me check if there's anything else behind that I need to get rid of. Sure enough, there is. So blue tape. At the back it's got standard power cord and Ethernet and USB. So I'm going to use the Outback test image. You can see it here. To test the printer out. It does have full duplex scanning as well as full duplex printing, which is good. This one is downloaded from this page. That's northlightimages.co.uk, printer test images. So this is a pretty good image. You can see. Let's see how it does on this. I suspect it won't do very well from the reviews I've read, but never know. Give it a shot. Okay, now that I have it installed, I am getting a problem, which is password. And that is stuck on the back of the machine, which is really annoying since I got it installed. But I finally found out the password. It's an 8-digit random password, so you might want to write that down before you install the machine. Once you're done, the first thing you should do is check for new firmware. So you can see in my case, I do have new firmware available. Click update, and that should update it. That's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. So it has installed the firmware fine, and now I can start printing. Okay, so let's see how she does. It's not bad. Actually much better than I expected. We'll test it out. Yeah, so it's not bad compared to the screen. But things are pretty sharp. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I mean, it's pretty good. Colors look a bit dull compared to a bright screen, but that's not backlit, so it's pretty good overall. Yes, I'm pretty happy with this actually. I said it wasn't as good, but it's pretty good. It's probably as good as an inkjet ink. It's the original, but that's backlit with the screen. So now this guy is, yeah. So it's more natural colors, a little bit subdued. It doesn't have bright inks, but it's pretty good reproduction. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this. This is in color auto and black enhance. So that's it.